Is it time to double down on Paramount? Well, their stock is trading at $10.88, and it is down over 50% this past year just because it's been bleeding money in its streaming business. Investors are also anticipating a new equity raise to fund their buyout with Skydance, and so that's going to bring some downward momentum as well. But honestly, with all the different stakeholders, with all the different moving parts that I'm seeing in this deal, it's looking really complicated, which increases the likelihood that it's just going to fall through altogether. And it doesn't help that their TTM net income went negative in 2023 for the first time and is still negative today, but it is showing signs of a slow recovery. Their revenue is looking pretty stagnant, but their quarterly earnings are back in the positive. So at the current rate of recovery, it looks like the TTM net income is going to be back in the black sometime in the next 2 quarters. Paramount offers a decent dividend of 1.84%. The debt to equity 63, that's really good. And they're expected to end the year with an EPS of 1.17. Their current EPS, their TTM EPS anyways, is actually negative, but it's expected to end really well at 1.17, and they're projected to have an EPS of 2.36 by December 2027. If we take their 1.17 projected EPS in combination with their current price, that would give us a PE ratio of 9.3. And if we look across the streaming service industry, really all I'm seeing for comparables is Netflix, and their price to earnings is 7.92. And I think it's safe to assume that Paramount's ratio is going to decline a bit by 2027, maybe to around the 8 mark, similar to Netflix. And if we combine that with that 2.36 EPS by December 2027, that would give us a price of $19.45 for 2027, which is a 79% upside from today. So given their current growth rate trend and pretty solid fundamentals, I would think that this is a great buying opportunity for those who believe Paramount's going to do well, and I do believe it is time to double down on Paramount. So thank you for watching, and I will see you next video.